Machine shops are under fierce competitive time and cost pressures. How can you optimize your most valuable resources, people and machines? C-numeric controls facilitate the move to advanced machining technologies. Boost your business with enhanced capabilities. Mixed technology machines do the work of 2 or more machines, simplifying scheduling, reducing setups, and accelerating production. High-speed 5-axis machining can produce intricate parts quickly, accurately, and in a single setup, dramatically reducing cycle times. And for maximum flexibility, kinematic independent programming allows the same program to run across multiple machines without the need for separate post-processors. C-numeric CNC puts it all at your fingertips. Empower your people with enhanced skills and increasingly greater productivity. Control your future now. Realize greater returns on your machine tool investments. Insist on C-numeric CNC.